In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the main secret that's led me to over thousands of Redbubble sales and that's allowed me to bring some of you guys alongside with me. If you're ready for this video, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how to improve your print-on-demand shops. If you are new around here and you haven't already, please do click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. We've actually helped a lot of people get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And down in the description, we have a lot of information that can help you guys to start getting sales. For example, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked there, and that features all the information I use to get started. And if you are someone who's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Now, you guys have clicked on this video and you're probably thinking what's happening, but trust me, it's going to be a good video. There's a lot of useful information. But before I get into that, I just want to say, since starting this channel, we've helped a lot of people. These are just some of the most recent comments of people who have started to get their first sales, and I just wanted to share this with you guys to show you that the information that I give in my videos has helped a lot of people, and I hope to see this continue. There's a lot more people than this, and I actually have a video dedicated on people that I've helped through YouTube and through my Facebook group, which will be linked down below. If you're someone who's interested in seeing my sales, how I've been doing in Redbubble throughout my journey, I'll link some videos down in the description. And getting straight into this, what is the secret? The secret is mindset. The ability to be able to control your mindset, to increase the strength of your mindset, and to be motivated in what you are doing. Just to give you guys context, before even making this channel, there's a video that I made a couple of years back. I think it was in January of 2018, before I even started Redbubble, before I even started this channel. And this video was a video I made to motivate others. And I just want to say, everything that I was talking about in that video were things I was actually applying to my own life, and those things led me to finding Redbubble, led me to creating this channel, and led me to the position that I am in now. And as I say that, I just want to say this video is meant to motivate you guys, but the motivation isn't something that's just always going to be there, that's going to last. You need to take this sense of motivation as a fire being lit inside you, but to fuel that fire, you need discipline to keep that fire going. So it's all well and good watching this video, feeling motivated, feeling like you can do anything, but you need to fuel that fire with your own discipline, which is consistency and sticking to what you need to do to get to where you want to get to. And that's something I mentioned especially in this video, because I've seen people start with Redbubble, put 10 designs up and give up, and I've also seen people put up 1,000 designs and then after a couple of months then start getting consistent sales. So it depends on which person you want to be. Nevertheless, I'm going to be showing you this video that I made a couple of years back. Please stick around, and as I go on to play this video, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success. Motivation is the key that will allow you to achieve anything you set your mind to. The only thing holding you back is you.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
Making this video to let you guys know that it's not too late. Doesn't matter how old you are, it's not too late to do whatever it is you want to do. If you can picture it in your head and you're passionate about it, then you can bring it to life. And a lot of you guys out there are capable of so much. You're just not willing to give yourself the time of day to make it happen. Now I want you guys to picture something in your head right now. Now, however many years into the future, imagine yourself lying down in your deathbed. You're looking over what your life was like. You're reflecting on everything you did and everything you didn't do. Would you say you're happy with what the future you would be looking back on? Would you say you're currently on track to making your dreams happen? Now, for anyone watching this and thinking to themselves, no, they're not happy with what they're seeing, they don't feel like they're gonna do what it is they want to do in life, you're not alone. The things you may want to achieve in your life might seem impossible, but you need to understand, guys, at the end of the day, life hits hard. And if you're not willing to hit back, you'll never be able to defend your dream. I honestly believe that in life, everyone has a purpose. And if you're lucky enough to know what yours is, hold on to it. don't let go. Work hard day by day to achieve that, because that's how you leave your mark in this life. And understand, guys, nothing good was made in a short period of time. As you know by the statement, Rome was not built in a day. So if you have dreams and aspirations in your mind, work at them day by day. Build them in your mind so you can build them in reality. Now guys, we're not on this planet for long. I mean, life is short at the end of the day. And just think, in life, you're pretty much born, you go into the education system, you come out of that, find a job, and then you go into retirement. And for the most part, the jobs people find are the jobs that people don't like working in, but they stay there so they can provide for their families, and they'll do this for 40 plus years. Now, if you're the kind of person that doesn't mind living that kind of life, that doesn't want to chase what they want in life, then click off this video right now. Now, for the average person between the time of birth and retirement, there's a good 67 years, and the average lifespan at the moment is 72 years. So you can think, after you finish working, on average they're saying you'd have 5 years to live. Now, if you never follow your dreams to do something that you've always wanted to do, when you get to that point, it might be too late. Now in life, excuses are our biggest enemies. People literally talk themselves out of achieving their dreams as a result of fear, lack of belief, most importantly, lack of patience, all powered through excuses. And it's the worst thing to see, guys, because I know everyone's better than that. Everyone has it in them to be able to push past that. And with whatever it is you want to do in life, guys, just do it. If you believe in something strong enough to keep going even when times are hard, even when you fail, and you have the ability to get yourself back up and keep going, you will make it at anything. Life should never just be as simple as working in a 9-to-5 job till retirement, because at the end of the day, you don't achieve your dreams, you're working under someone else for the rest of your life. And no one out there should have to accept the fact that that's how they should have to live. And don't get it twisted, guys. For you guys that have to work those 9-to-5 jobs to achieve your dreams, do it. If that's the necessary step you need to take to be able to get to where you want to get to in terms of your dream, do it. But keep that dream alive in your mind every day, every night, every morning. Never let go of that idea you have in your head. Work towards it and you will make it happen. Don't go out there and give 40 to 50 years of your life working under other people. Some people out there accept that that's what they want in life. Don't be the person to accept that. Do more, achieve more, be more. Hard work, patience, and belief are key. And the most important thing to remember is the ability to pick yourself up when things aren't going well, because you need to understand, before you succeed, you're gonna fail a hell of a lot of times. What builds your character is not the amount of times you do things right, it's the amount of times you do things wrong but can learn from your mistakes to allow yourself to keep moving forward. Now, even I myself have had to push myself through these barriers. I've done so many things in my life that took a lot of concentration and that took me having to pick myself back up multiple times. And even till this day, I do it because I want to keep moving forward to make things happen. Now, as we get to the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys some clips of some people you might recognize, some celebrities out there that managed to build themselves up from nothing, that had to put in the work to get to where they've got to now, that struggled, that failed, but kept moving forward. These are the kind of people that made the impossible possible. The people that achieved their dreams. Now, if there's one thing I want you guys to take from this video, is that you're your own main character in this movie we call life. So create that happy ending.
My father came home and she said, Slick, which was my daddy's nickname, your boy been up at the school being a smart aleck. Now, I already know I'm gonna get a whipping for this. She said, tell him what you wrote on your paper. And I said, I wanna be on TV. And my father said, well, what's wrong with that? And she said, well, he being a smart aleck and putting something like that that's unbelievable on the paper. So my father said, Bill, how come the boy can't put on the paper he want to be on TV? So they were starting to get into an argument, so I got sent to my room, which I knew what that meant. That means go in your room, get ready, we're going to get this whooping, right? So I go in my room, and after having a discussion, my father came in the room. He said, all right, this is what I want you to do. What does she want you to put on your paper? I said, I don't know, Daddy, like a basketball player, what all the rest of the kids wrote. He said, well, put that on the paper. Take that to school tomorrow and give it to her. Take your paper and put it in your drawer. Every morning when you get up, read your paper. And every night before you go to bed, read your paper. That's your paper. What he told me was a principle of success, that if you write it down and envision it, anything you see in your mind, you can hold in your hand.
Now, you have never had a formal acting lesson.
Not really. No. Just sort of jumped in and everything started working, and like I booked my first 3 auditions and it just stumbled and happened. And I swear to God, this all just happened.
And you're not shy. I read somewhere with Even Stevens at the audition, you scare the other actors who were waiting to audition by telling them, got it wrapped up, it's mine.
I wanted it so bad. I would like walk around, I was like, listen man, I know what you're auditioning for, I already got the part, you know? And I did, I eventually got it. It was all luck though.
And their faces, of course, all dropped.
All dropped.
My name is Conor McGregor and I live in Lucan.
What's your status or what's your profession?
I'm a professional MMA fighter with a record of 4-1. I'm an up-and-coming fighter, and without a doubt, you will see me on the UFC in the near future, without a doubt.
It would.
Yeah, it does. It feels beautiful. I dreamt this so much, so clearly, so precisely, and so frequently that it has manifested itself into reality. And that's what I am feeling right now. It's a dream come true.
You know, when you say it's been my year and it's my time, you know, Hollywood has a way of making everything seem like an overnight success. Yeah. Oh my God, where did this guy come from? Oh, this kid, who is he? Look, he's a massive star. I had 18 years in the business, you know.
You put in your 10,000 hours.
I put in my time, you know. I got dues that have been paid and paid again and paid one more time after that. I stayed true to my dreams, and by doing that, eventually they came true.
There's a secret to success that is not a secret as long as you speak the language. And, you know, I said, I will, and I did it. You know, I'm gonna, in 2010, I'm gonna be a freshman on the cover of XXL in 3 years. I said it, I was, you know. I'm gonna sign a deal I wanna sign, I did. Most people go, I would, but, I want to, but, you know, it's money, or some of my family's sick, or this and that sucks, but you're just still telling yourself why you can't. And I think that's a lot of fear. So realism, determination, persistence, wanting success more than your next breath. Like that's it. That's all it is, man. Like that's what you got to do.
Yeah, I was going to have to franchise. I wanted to see how they would take, you see. So then I started franchising in earnest when I was 66 years old. I just say the moral of my life, don't quit at age 65. Maybe your boat hasn't come in yet. Mine hasn't.
When you feel like giving up, don't. When you thinking about giving up, don't. When it look like you ain't gonna make it, keep going. When they tell you you can't, come on, man, who are they? When they tell you to put all your stuff back on your desk, don't do that, man. Don't do that. When they tell you you're not funny, you're not gonna make it, don't believe them, man. Don't believe them. You got to be relentless.